wozala shana wozala sidla ubusha wozona.
The safety you need and the fun you want. There's space for every fun in the Toyota Starlet.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Athlone Stadium, Stellenbosch 0, Orlando Pirates 2. Orlando Pirates completing a double over East Stellenbosch, I think for the first time. Ever since Stellenbosch were promoted, I remember their first season, they beat Orlando Pirates at the DHL Stadium. Ikram Reina scoring their only goal of the game. Stellenbosch has been beating Orlando Pirates in league games. I remember even last season, there was a season where Orlando Pirates were leading by 2-0 at Orlando. Stellenbosch came back, scored 3 goals. But namhlanje, Orlando Pirates winning their first game, first league game rather, against Stellenbosch in Cape Town. The last time Orlando Pirates won in Cape Town was back in 2022-2023 season. 2023-2024, I remember the guy who's now here at the Stellenbosch, the striker, Tsekhova Mabasa against Cape Town City, scored a brace. But now, Utseho couldn't play because he's on loan at Orlando Pirates. Junior, madukubulisa mfethu kunjani?
Yeah, kunjani thina?
I'm okay. I'm okay, my brother.
Ngimnandi mfethu ngibulisa uJustice, ngibulisa uNkululeko, ngibulisa uBobo, ngibulisa uBenedict Sovilakazi. Bafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting iTiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, I think well done to Orlando Pirates in today's game, being as a game is. You saw people came in numbers, my fans, by were exciting. Cool. People came in numbers, honestly. We're talking about both teams, but obviously Orlando Pirates is the biggest team. My fans are always going to Ashala Funguibona. And for sure, going to the game, I think in today's game, Orlando Pirates have no intentions to play the ball in the midfield. They didn't have it's a ball position. I think the instruction was loud and clear from the coach, from the bench. We're going to exercise even a training whereby when you play a back pass, it's a foul, a training. Orlando Pirates, they went forward a lot in today's game. Everything that they were doing is forward. And bear in mind, they build up, they play not even much, even they build up. They find this guy, Siema play long ball. Often evident Mahopa, or Dlala second ball. Or they play evident dual flicker. Either white, Gulam Fanum Fuking, or go Apodis. I'll give it to Tito, a man of the match, honestly. I think it decided this game, technically very good. You need such special players. I think Tito decided this game. Bengitas coach. And when he keep, I don't think his body language was happy. Which is
You could see he wanted to play more.
yeah, but truly speaking, Wadu he wanted to kill the game. Yes, true. But the way Tito Bega, I think coaching Taiboni Luguti Stellenbosch they are coming. Yeah, but to give in hand how we approach the game now. Udlalenga this boy Mahabodi. I think he played up front as a false 9. And now this guy puts out about Chinchisa Nakode. Udlalango Chinino in the midfield. Also, he had 3 midfielders, Mtian as well. But I'm disappointed with Mtian. I'll be honest. Body language, the player leads Salahai Palka look to a premiership, but he's never show up.
He started very well in Stellenbosch.
Yes, Marmang Pege Ichake by now supposed to be meaning about Liki Lumfano settle. But he's struggling a lot. I mean, I'm a Kemanjangala Ula Big Mela Pramis Santa lost so many balls. But Stellenbosch they've got 4 center back at Top Gakulu, one of the best, I think, in Betway Premiership. This team next season, I think they're gonna win something. That's for me. Because per structure at the back, very composed players, Bobanama player comfortable, 2 center back, which is Unda Nolibusa and Mdaga on the left hand side, then international player Lengwenya there's Africa on the right hand side.
The one from Nigeria.
Yes, Nigerian guy. Good understanding and they communicate very well. 3 midfielders, but you sacrifice to play without a strike. When you keep it approach a game. Beanga intentions to get a goal, honestly. That's for me. Mshambe garla kora kuma wing forward to but I'm moving forward to Akuboni like the player Bogupi. Utatas was playing like because sort of the coach asked them to come and defend as well. and too deep ama-wing wakhe, which is uTitus nalo mfana uPhili. Very special player lo mfana uPhili, but he never play according to his strength. But compliment to back center defense Orlando Pirates solid. I think it's a game of 2 halves. That's for me, for Shane. Pirates, I think njoba ngisho bebangana intention to circulate the ball. And into kumele ba-emphasize even going forward, Orlando Pirates. They need technically good players. Abazo security ball. Players will sit on the ball, relax, be composed to manage the game after scoring the goal. Ngoba they were rushing now, Stellenbosch shy ball. If they la ball ngenile, they change the complexion of the game. And but Orlando Pirates first half I give it because Pirates they wanted the goal by all means. The energy level, movement of the ball. Everything that was good.
When they need to get players, do you think they need to get players, or do you teach as players to call you? Sometimes when you're leading by 2 or 3, let's manage the game, especially playing against a team like Stellenbosch, because at any given day they can cause an upset. I mean, we saw them against Chiefs, we saw them against Sundowns. I mean, any given day Stellenbosch they can cause an upset. I'm saying there are times where Orlando Pirates need to manage the game. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think when you say they need to test this, you can't tell. Angeke we manage a game quick against Stellenbosch udlala ngabo makhehleni. Only talent, but him in the midfield, umuntu one energy. He need to be supported. You understand lo mchita. So at least mangabe unomthetjela na his own song, na game yakhe on top, and then mhlawumbe uTito ask him to come closer. Azazodlala nazo touch ibhola. Okanye Kabelo Dlamini. About to circulate the ball, because game management, I think in Tebasha, when a game you play another team, you score 2 goals, they score 1 goal. Now they come back in the game. Manga check up the way we rushing a corner. Now it looks like a game. Manga be score be ususa la benga tike mi balance. Senkul manga so enough because Stellenbosch in Tenzile they go it on the Paris, but now in Tabanga yenzanga they didn't have numbers. Up front, you understand? You leave this guy, keep it do there, shoot Titus there, and I mean, coach came to this game. I think he was concerned about the Orlando Pirates, and we respect the Pirates, and the Sundowns to approach the game this way, and very disappointed. But well done to Orlando Pirates because they won where it matters most. And I might play Pirates today. It was not talent only, it was not enough. It was a character, a talent and a character. Well done to Orlando Pirates. They showed big card. I'm a player Orlando Pirates. And Ubonile Nabu Libusa how many big number for Zenga kule game day. So well done to Orlando Pirates. I think the game day, in fact, it means a lot to Orlando Pirates fans and also to the players and the coach.
We'll come back there. I'll ask you, Guti, what does this win mean for Orlando Pirates? But I want to ask you something. There's a point I care to some time ago. Sometimes when you approach a game, it's defensive, and then in that game you get a result. For example, you get a win or you get a draw. Sometimes you think Lando is right because it works. Remember last season when they played a similar formation, were coached by Coach Steve Barker, where they won 1-0, Titus scoring at Orlando Pirates. They repeated that again. I can't remember which game, but they lost that game. And Namhlanje, remember the game they played against Sundowns? You said Stellenbosch, they approached the game of Namhlanje the same way we approaching a game of Sundowns. But because they got the result, they thought Mhlambe even today, that result, because they got that penalty, late penalty, that formation, Yasabenza. Namhlanje, it didn't work for Coach Gavin Hunt.
Let me answer you. Shane, the answer is very simple. I grew up being taught about I'm a coach and about Farouk Ted. The best way to defend is to attack. You understand? Also, the best way to defend is to manage the game. You understand? Shane, all the teams that are best in the world, including Real Madrid, PSG, Arsenal, Man City, Bayern Munich. Look at those teams. There's a style of play. They play attacking football. They know how to manage the game. They don't approach games by defending. I don't remember Madrid coming to the game and say we defend or PSG. Or let's go and say, or Arsenal or Man City. I don't remember that. So I'm see fan. My coach is going to the game and being and then it's wrong. I mean, Stellenbosch have got players. Very good players. Mfano Phili, very talent, one of the best talent. Meaning Stellenbosch was keeping Fana from development structures. Very exciting players. You understand? Bawa Kipili, Abu Jadin Adams, now Babu Pili now, Abu Pasatin, they've Renas, they came there from development structure. But this coach was the Kevin Hunt. When he plays against big teams, he doesn't use those players according to his strengths. Now you ask their wingers to come and become double right back or double left wing back. It's wrong for me. You understand? Or check in and defend too deep. You want him to run with the ball. And then when you go to the corner, you want the ball on the box, irrespective of who playing on the box. And it doesn't make sense for me. So, ngendlela approaching a game, especially Sundowns approaching a game, he was lucky to get it draw against Sundowns, honestly. He planned and Jalen's on the money. But the Pirates intensely. Pirates they scored 2 goals quick. And yes, it had this card to Kevin was getting away. Ngobi Paris they were knocking, created chances, movement of the ball. Yeah, they ran too much feet Orlando Pirates. Anything you want Orlando Pirates, they run. They don't mind to run behind you. And they turn their young defender by 10 Orlando Pirates, irrespective of the defender. And it's very exciting. The typical South African football. Wingers, attacking players, turning on defense. So, well done to Orlando Pirates. I think they forced but they won convincing into this game. Kevin Hunt deserved to lose this game. That's for me. No matter the second half, yes, I will say game of 2 halves. In terms of many ball positions, circulating the ball, but not even dangerous areas. You understand? You want Amapola wide across a wing back. Now he's starting to push a wing back on the right, even on the left. Mtaka now he has to go. It was late already, and Pirates at the back solid. I think they defended very well. Denzel, unfortunately, the boy came technically very good, but I'm not surprised. I'm a player developed honke. This is how you. Mina ngikhala development because mina Shane angisife umuntu onga. Honestly, I will be honest to you. Yabona angizwani like gimme in my opinion. I wish bengwisha each and every player. It's unfortunate because of akusonke umuntu inhlanhla ayambi ngesikhathi esiwona. Akusilo game bengwish ukuthi wonke ama players in South Africa kumele ngabe developed. Okanye majority I can tell you best so compete around the world. So this boy Dancil, when did he last play his last game? He scored the contender of goal of the season, and then the boy was eliminated. I'm safe his courtesy. I think this season almost he came today, first touch. Shaipali, unfortunate not to get the goal. I go man outside the box, and we are from the bench. So, well done to Tito also. Tito, I mean, at Orlando Pirates now, I think Lent is omni confident that today is omni confident. Performance, I mean to say, for me, is the man of the match, and even to get the goal as well, assisting. So, well done to Tito, well done to Orlando Pirates. They deserve. Well done to the coach. Namasapok, I think they work very well. Well done to Orlando Pirates.
Thank you so much, Junior. Masivale. From myself and Junior, Athlone Stadium, it's Stellenbosch 0, Orlando Pirates 2. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola Bafetu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafetu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.